Learn the Arabic alphabet in the easiest way. In this course, you will learn the Arabic alphabet in a very easy and effective way. You will learn the sound of every letter, its name, and its shape in the different positions of the word. You will know about the short vowels and the long vowels. By the end of this course, you will have studied about 200 words in addition to many important and beneficial sentences. This course is intended for non-native Arabic learners who don't know the Arabic alphabet.